name is Dan. I'm going to demonstrate for you how to change the joystick from the right-hand side to the left-hand side on the silver 6000 plus wheelchair. You're going to need two tools, a pair of scissors and a flat-headed screwdriver. First thing you want to do is disconnect the joystick. So unwind it and disconnect it. You're going to unscrew it, pull the joystick out, use a flat-headed screwdriver to work this plug out, slide the joystick back in, slide the locking nut back in and tighten it all the way down so that it's nice and tight. And then you're going to need to get the cable and disconnect it and slide it to the other side. So it'll typically have a zip tie. Just weave the cable to the other side. Of the chair. And then reconnect. Make sure you align the proper plugs and be careful not to bend any of the plugs, so make sure they're aligned correctly. Tighten, and you're good to go.